Hello everyone, welcome to Torshi with Torshi. So today we're gonna make sentence with supposed to. So basically, যখন আমাদের কোনো কিছু করার কথা আছে তখন আমরা supposed to use করি. Just like আমার সেখানে যাওয়ার কথা আছে, তোমার বিদ্যালয়ে যাওয়ার কথা আছে, তার বিদ্যালয়ে যাওয়ার কথা আছে. So let's make some sentence and we're gonna have some fun, okay? So I'm supposed to read my book. আমার 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 বই পড়ার কথা আছে. You're supposed to read your book. তুমি তোমার বই পড়ার কথা আছে. He's supposed to read his book. I'm supposed to sleep. You're supposed to sleep. He's supposed to sleep. You're supposed to play. I'm supposed to play. He's supposed to play. I really love play games. You're supposed to apply some makeup. I'm supposed to apply some makeup. She's supposed to apply some makeup. You're supposed to get a job, right? He's supposed to get a job. I'm supposed to be cooking. You're supposed to be cooking. Food, obviously. He's supposed to be cooking. You're supposed to be buying a car. I'm supposed to be buying a car. She's supposed to be buying a car. I'm supposed to be buying toys to play. You're supposed to buy toys to play. You're supposed to walk. I'm supposed to walk. You're supposed to run. I'm supposed to run. I'm supposed to write. You're supposed to write in your textbook. Yes. What can we say next? Can we make sentence more? I'm supposed to plant a tree. You're supposed to plant a tree. Now, you're supposed to subscribe. I think. Do you like this video? Please subscribe. Bye bye. See you next time.